Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for what we calling it. See what's going on at Anfield Day, because there's no update on the expansion to be reporting on. So we'll just have a little fly in a chat. Cause look at this, absolutely dead now. So I haven't been back. I haven't been here since when was last year? Friday. Yeah, Friday. Done a match day vlog on Saturday. Yeah, so it must be Friday. On Thursday we found out that Buckingham were going, not going bump as such, but you know, let's just say they're going bump. I was told about an hour after the news broke that the site would be getting shut down either Friday or Saturday. It turned out it was Friday. Stop letting people on site. Well, they let people on site to get the stuff, and then yeah, but there's no work going on. There was paving going on down here, but that was about it. That's all I could see. But I was told that Liverpool's preferred construction company to take over the job would be Lang O'Rourke. It turns out Lang O'Rourke are not interested in taking it on. So we just got to wait now and until we hear something. You know, various outlets are saying, oh, breaking news about this, and there's no breaking news. It's just what we already know. Breaking news will be when you tell us who's taking over the job. That's what breaking news I'm interested in now. But yeah, apart from that, it's dead. It's 10 to 8 in the morning. It doesn't matter if I'm here at 10 to 4 in the afternoon. There's not going to be any work going on. But hopefully we'll hear something soon. I'm a fan. I'm trying to stay upbeat, but it's hard. Oh, it's just a cone. Yeah, Dad stay upbeat. Only good thing is Liverpool had a good result at the weekend. Red card for McAllister was a bit harsh. So Bosley was miles man of the match for me. We got off to a shaky start, which we need to stop doing. Liverpool need to stop doing these shaky starts now, where concede early on and then, you know, you're playing catch up for the rest of the match. We got to warn them with the disallowed goal, and then literally 30 seconds, a minute later, they scored from the same sloppiness. We need to pack that in. Apart from that, after we got over the nervousness, we were fine. We were all right. Just silly mistakes from like the likes of Alisson, which you don't expect it from. Bad passing at the back. Even Diaz was getting caught in possession early on and giving the ball away a lot, and then he sorted that out, and once that was sorted out, it was all good. Yeah, absolutely nothing, no change. Here's the cleaners in for the weekend, for the match of the weekend. Get it ready for the next match. People are asking about the my giveaway. Well, I haven't forgot about it. I'm just down on a pitch while I'm here. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't forgot about the giveaway. I'll be doing it this Sunday. Time to be confirmed. I don't have to do it before or after the Liverpool game. I'll do it after the Liverpool game. So we can have a little, yeah, you know what, I'll do it after the Liverpool game because we can have a little chat then, live about the match. So we go for 7 o'clock Sunday night, do the giveaway, have a chat about the match, ask me any questions that you want to ask me, yeah, we'll do it then. So this Sunday 7 PM, I'll do the giveaway. May as well tell you what the giveaway is anyway. I got my hands on some more fire tablets. So I've got 2 10-inch fire tablets to give away. 9 or 10-inch, can't remember now. But yeah, they're decent size. One's getting given away on the channel, and one's getting given away to someone that comes over to me and just says that they watch my channel. No one's done it yet. I'm not very popular. Yeah. Just come up to me while I'm flying my drone, tell me you watch my channel, and you get yourself a free tablet. There's a wagon pulled into the car park there. I wonder what that's for. You know what, it's probably a learner driver, isn't it? Might be doing learner driving in here. Or maybe not. Yeah, so hopefully we'll hear something soon from Buckingham. Oh, probably not from Buckingham, from the club at least, just to say where we're at, what's going on, who's taking over. Just tell us us fans what we want to know. If anyone's got any questions, fire them at me. I'll try and answer them as best as I can. Maybe about the team, about the builds, anything. Just yeah, leave me a comment. If there's anything that you think might happen, let me know. Let me know in the comments section. If there's something that you maybe know that I don't, let me know as well. If I think it's got legs, I'll share it. But apart from that, guys, I'll leave it there. Comments and likes always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel, as I've got loads of subscriptions of loads of subscribers from my match day vlog. So if you haven't seen that, give that a watch. It'll be linked at the end of this video anyway. Yeah, might even be on there now. But yeah, give that a watch. Let me know what you think. It's only the second one I've ever done, so I'm still learning how to do these match day vlogs, you know, to keep them interesting. Let me know where you think I can improve. That'd be helpful to me. Right, apart from that, guys, look after yourselves, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.